everybody, here's 5 tips to make great business presentations. One, know who is going to be there. Your content and messaging should be tailored exactly to who is going to be in your audience, whether that is colleagues at your own level or potential investors and clients, or the CEO and vice president of every major corporation in town. 2, make sure that you meet the tech people as soon as you arrive so that they know what equipment you need and so that you can get set up and comfortable with it in advance. Tech can make or break your presentation, so don't forget to do that. 3, dress appropriately for the occasion, knowing who is going to be in the audience. You want to be approachable and relatable, but you still want to be the authority there that day. Now, people will tell you all the time, it doesn't matter what you wear, just be yourself. But those people are always dressed really well, so there's that. 4, make sure that you take little breaks in between your presentations so that you can see if there's any questions from the audience. People hate it when you ask them to hold their questions to the end because they can't remember what their questions were. So instead, present a little bit of material, ask if there's any questions about that content, and then keep going. Last but not least, make sure that you wrap up in a very decent amount of time. You can ask in advance how much time you have for your presentation, and then aim to wrap up at least 5 to 7 minutes before that. People love when a presentation is over, so don't be the person that drones on and on and on, and instead be the person that wraps up short and sweet. Until next time, take care.